Dear students, welcome once again. Today I am continuing my last topic that was in my last video. It was physical quantity and measurement. So hope you all have understood what is physical quantity and what is the importance of measurement. So we will measure some physical quantities, that is some physical properties that is measurable are physical quantities such as mass, length, time, velocity, force, pressure, area, volume, etc. These physical quantities can be measured with the help of some machines and it will be expressed in some units. Because if we don't mention any unit, then the proper quantity cannot be estimated. Such as I have discussed earlier, if we tell the pencil is 20 long, 20 means nothing. So it will be 20 centimeter or 20 inches. That will be some meaningful word. So physical quantities are mainly of two types: fundamental and derived physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity of light. So there, as you can see in the chart, there are basic quantity or the fundamental physical quantities are 7 in number. Those are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. There are another physical quantity that is derived from these physical quantities. That means we use fundamental units to derive them. So those are called derived physical quantities, or the unit of these derived physical quantities can be called derived units. So their units are of two type, just like physical quantities. One is fundamental unit and the second one is derived unit. Derived unit is constructed with the help of fundamental units. There can be one or more fundamental units. So it is clear that a derived unit is constructed with the help of one or more fundamental units. As example, you take a physical quantity, that is velocity. Velocity means moving in a particular direction to mention the rate of displacement with respect to time. That means velocity is the displacement per unit time in a particular direction. So displacement is measured in terms of length, and time is a fundamental unit. So we can say the derived unit, that is velocity. Velocity can be expressed as length per unit time in a particular direction. So we may call it L by T, or LT minus 1 is the dimension of the velocity, where L means length and T means time. That means length per unit time in a particular direction. Thus a derived unit can be formed. If you take area, area means length into breadth. So length and breadth both are expressed in terms of length. So area can be expressed as length into length. That means area is equals to L square or length square. So derived unit here is area, where two fundamental units, that means length and length, breadth is also length, so length is used, which is a fundamental unit. So it is clear that derived units can be formed with the help of one or more fundamental units. You all enjoyed? So, this much for today. We will meet again. Thank you.